Hey guys, today we're gonna be talking about buying condos with HOA fees. Is it a good idea or not? Stay tuned. Hey guys, I've never had any good experience dealing with anything tied to an association. As a matter of fact, after doing this for 20 years and done 3,000 transactions, I realized that most associations have too much power, too much control, and they could increase your fees whenever they want. Okay, making it very difficult to be able to understand where your cash flow is going to be long term. So I advise against buying condos or anything tied to any big HOA fees. Guys, one of the reasons I don't like buying into any HOAs is because you rely on the collective financial status to be able to upkeep your property common areas. It's not fair when you think about it, when you're doing things the right way, keeping reserves, maintaining your property inside in perfect shape, and because of other people not doing the due diligence, now you're affected and your property is devaluating. Yes, this could happen. It had actually happened to me years ago on the last correction we had in 2008, where I was doing fine. I was keeping up with the property, but because there was so many foreclosures within the collective, things started to break down. The pools, the common areas started to break down, and my value of my property sunk. And trust me, guys, I have experience with this. I experienced in the previous crash of the market that when everybody stopped paying, my fees quadruple. This is another reason why I don't like relying on the collective, right? The HOAs have too much power, and if other people are not gonna pay, somebody's gonna have to pay for the common areas, and in that case, it's gonna be you. Not fair, right? Guys, even in some cases, HOAs could put in their bylaws a clause that says that they have the first right of refusal when you're selling the property. Creates a lot of conflict of interest, right? Because they're charging you fees, but they're the ones that have to make a decision on buying your property. So this is a no. Be careful when you're buying condos. Look for this clause. And you guys gonna say, how do you know this? Well, it happened to me, guys. It happened to me where I was gonna sell a condo and I couldn't sell it back in 2008. I got into a short sale. I bought this condo for $120. The bank approved a $25,000 short sale, and the HOAs did not allow me to sell it. So just be careful. This is real. This is true. Guys, if you're concerned about repairs, don't be. It is a massive part of the business. You need to learn how to deal with it head on. The quicker you get used to it, the faster you're going to realize it's not a big deal. It will prepare you for the next level stuff you're going to be doing in investing. And as long as you have a professional team and it's professionally inspected to make sure that your 4 points are in good shape, you're going to do fine long term. In the end, if everybody else has stopped paying, you don't want to be the last person in a sinking boat. At the end, this myth of that the collective is going to take care of your properties maintenance better than you is a myth, total myth, okay? That's why I believe buying single family homes. And if you feel strong, buy a fourplex. Buy a couple of fourplex and create your own apartment complex, but with no HOA fees. Guys, here's a bonus. In a buyer's market, when you need a buyer the most, because it's super competitive, the tenants that you have in a condo are less likely to buy that property from you than if they're in a single family home, right? Usually people are in an apartment in a transitional period and they don't see themselves living there forever. So the option of buying a home, even if you sweeten the deal and say owner financing, is a lot better on a single family home, and you might get away with even selling a property to the tenant for market price or a little higher than market price. That's why I like single family homes. As always, thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, tell your friends about it. We love this business. We want to educate you guys so you don't make the same mistakes that we've done before, and you're very successful long term with real estate investing. Remember, this is Jorge Vazquez at Greystone Investment Group, where you invest and we do the rest. Thank you.